Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview customer support and resources. All right, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now, the first step is going to be to access the customer support and resources, and you can access that by clicking on the support button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Now, step 2 is going to be to search the knowledge base for answers that you need. Now, you can search that for common questions and issues, and that will help you to quickly resolve those concerns. Step 3 is going to be to contact customer support for assistance. So you can go ahead and contact the customer support for assistance with technical issues or other concerns that are not on the that you can search the answers for directly. So you can just go ahead and contact the customer support for a more personal response. And fourth and final step will be to use the customer support and resources to get help whenever you need it. So don't be afraid to get that done, and that's going to save you a lot of headaches. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview customer support and resources. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.